Hi, my dear kids. Welcome back to our English online class and a very good morning to one and all. Hope all are well and happy at your home. Okay, in the last class, we have learned proper noun and common noun, isn't it? And today, I would like to share a new grammar topic in English. It is punctuation. Punctuation. What it is? Punctuation. The name of this grammar is little difficult. Punctuation. What it is? But it's very simple. We have to follow a few punctuation rules in our writing. It means while we are writing the English sentence, we have to follow a few punctuation rules. Okay, it's very simple. Let us check that. What is the meaning of punctuation? Punctuation means few marks that we use in our writing to separate the words in a sentence. Okay, that is punctuation. Now listen here very carefully. My name is Amira. See, this sentence is correct. Any mistake is there? No mistakes. Grammatically it is correct. And the sentence also finished. But many punctuation errors, mistakes are there. Let's check. First one, always we have to start a sentence with capital letter. That is the first punctuation rule. Here, that is the starting letter of this sentence. And always start the sentence with a capital letter. So how we want to write this one? My. M should be capital. Now name. No mistake is there, okay? Name. So we can write it in the small sentence. Is. No mistakes. And next one, that is the mistake here. Amira. In the last class we learned proper nouns always start with a capital letter. So here Amira, it is a name of a person. So first letter should be capital letter. All the proper nouns start with a capital letter. So we have to write a capital letter. Amira. Okay. So two rules we learned here. First one, starting letter should be in capital letter. Second one is all the proper nouns begins with a capital letter. Two rules over. Now third rule, a sentence should end with a full stop. Full stop. Okay, don't forget to put a full stop after the sentence, at the end of the sentence. Did you get it? Starting letter. Starting letter should be in capital. All the proper nouns are in capital letter and end a sentence with a full stop. And here another rule is there. If the sentence is asking to someone, okay, if the sentence is asking to someone or something, we have to put a full question mark. For example, see, starting letter W is capital. What is your name? What is your name? Can we put full stop here? This is the end of the sentence, but we should not put full stop there. What we want? Question mark. Okay, because this is a asking sentence. This is an asking sentence. What? It is a question word. What? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where? Why are you very sad? Why? What? Why? How? Are you? Did you? These all words are question words. So, when these words are coming the first of the sentence, at the last we have to put question mark. Got it, children? Okay, another example. My father and I will go to Dubai. Go to Dubai on Monday. Okay. Now let us check this sentence. It is little big sentence. My father and I will go to Dubai on Monday. Let us check. What is the mistake here? Many punctuation errors are there. First one is, M should be capital. M should be capital because it is a starting letter. Father. Any mistake is there? Is it proper noun? No, it is common noun. So, we don't want to use first letter capital. And I. So, here is another rule. Single I always should write in capital letter. I should be capital. Single I. Why I am saying single I? Because I is alone here. Okay, I. Then will, here also one I, but it is not single. Here one friend, after I, two friends are there. Double L are there. So, we don't want capital letter. Okay, when it is single I, we have to write in capital letter. That is the next rule. Go to Dubai. Yes, here is one mistake because Dubai is a place name. Okay, so it is a proper noun. Proper noun. All the proper nouns should start with capital letter. So, D should be capital. Now, on Monday. Monday, it is the name of a day, that also proper noun. So, don't write in small letter. It is capital letter. Now, don't forget to put full stop after the sentence. Okay, my father, M capital, and single I is here, that should be capital. And here Dubai is the proper noun, D should be capital. And on Monday it is a day, so M should be capital. And at last, full stop. Okay, because you have to listen it very carefully. Punctuation errors, most of the children make mistakes while writing. They are not starting the sentence with a capital letter. That you register in your mind. All the sentence should begin with a capital letter, and don't forget to put a full stop after the sentence. If it is asking sentence, you have to put full stop. Question mark. Okay, children? I hope you understood it. Okay, children, let us do more examples. Okay. First one. We have English test on Tuesday. We have English test on Tuesday. Okay. Yeah, can you find the punctuation errors in this sentence? Okay. Tell it. What it is? Yes, it is first letter. V. W is the first letter. So write in capital letter. Okay. V. Have. Any mistake is there? Anyone's name? No. Any day? Nothing. It's not a proper noun. Yeah. So have. English. What is the mistakes here? Yes, E should be in capital letter because it's a proper noun. It's a name of a subject. Okay. E should be capital letter. English. English test. Yeah, this one also sometimes you may make mistakes here because this is the finishing here. This sentence is finishing here. It is not finishing because remaining part is here on Tuesday. So don't put full stop there. On Tuesday. Any mistake is there, children? What is the mistake? Yes, T. T should be capital. T because it's a day. Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Now what we have to put at the end of the sentence? It is full stop. It is not asking sentence. It is sentence only. We have English test on Tuesday. Okay? Yeah. Now next one. Where did Akhil keep my math book? Where did Akhil keep my math book? Yeah. Find out the mistakes, punctuation errors here, children. What is the mistake? First mistake is the starting letter in capital. W. Write in capital. Where? Did. No mistake is there. Do we want to write this I in capital? No, it is not single. Okay, only single I we write in capital. Did. Akhil. What is the mistake here? Akhil is a name. Akhil is a name. So write in capital. Akhil keep my. Here no mistakes and here also no mistake. Then next one, math. It is a subject's name. So M should be capital letter. Math. Math book. Where did Akhil keep my math book? Now what we have to put here? Full stop. Listen once again the sentence. Where did Akhil keep my math book? It's a asking sentence. Asking to someone. Okay. So what we have to put here? It is full stop, question mark. Where did Akhil keep my math book? Question mark. Okay, children. Now let us do our textbook work. Children, open your textbook and come to page number 10. Listen here. Listen and tick the correct answers. First one, bats are awake. Dash. 3 options are here. In the day, at night, in the afternoon. What is the answer? B. At the night. Now come to second question. Most bats eat dash. A. Vegetables, fruits, insects. What is the answer? It is insects. Number 3, bats can fly like dash, birds, balloons, planes. Answer is birds. Fourth one, a baby bat is called a dash. A baby bat is called joy, pup, chick. Answer is pup. Okay. Now you write these all ticked answers in the blanks. Okay. Next one, speaking. Read what Tingu says to his friends. My name is Tingu. I eat grass. I like to play. Now what is your task, children? Now tell the class 3 things about yourself. You can't tell in the class, so what you want to do? You tell at your house to your mother or father 3 things about yourself. Okay, instead of Tingu you can use your name, and here whatever you want you can add. I eat dash, fruit, chapati, biryani, like that something. Okay. Now it is punctuation. We already learned this one, isn't it? A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. It is a beautiful night. I, beginning letter is capital, and here at the end of the sentence is full stop. Now next one, I am Furry the fox. I, it is capital letter because it is starting, and here furry, F, furry is a name, so capital, and here at the end of the sentence full stop. Now listen here, punctuate these sentences. One has been done for you. Tingu is fast asleep. Here many punctuation errors are here, and what is that? Yeah, T capital letter, and at the end of the sentence put full stop. Now same like this, you can do this one. I live in Chennai. Rewrite here same like this, okay, using first letter capital and put full stop at the end of the sentence. In the next page also 3 questions are there. Okay. The tiger walks in the forest. We like to eat rice. Sheila plays with her toys. Will you do, children? Okay. Next one, writing. Look at this picture of a mouse. Write a few sentences about it. How can we write? Yeah, one has been done for you. The mouse is grey. The mouse is grey. And second one, the mouse has a, yeah, it is here. What it is? Tail. So you can write here tail. What's the spelling of tail? T-A-I-L. Tail. Okay. Now third one. The mouse has, yeah, we can write here sharp teeth. The mouse has sharp teeth. S-H-A-R-P-T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Children, you write with me, then you can finish it very fast. Okay. Now fourth one, the mouse dash. The mouse has a pointed nose. See, it is pointed nose. So we can write here, the mouse has a pointed nose. Okay. Now last one, fifth one, nothing is there. Okay, so we want to write the full sentence. What we can add here? The mouse has small ears. Okay, now the last work is, you go to the park, take the things you should do, cross the things you should not do. Children, you do this one yourself. Okay, read it and put tick mark which can you do and put cross mark which you can't do. You should not do. Okay, first one, wait for your turn at the swing if the park is crowded. That is correct. Second one, push other children and fight with them. Stand in a line for your turn at the slide. Keep the park neat and clean. Throw sand at other children. Okay, this work you do yourself. Okay children, thank you so much.